Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know who unfriended you on Facebook. Now to do that, let's open up our Facebook app, guys. Now in order to know who unfriended you on Facebook, you first need to know a thing that Facebook won't send you a notification when somebody unfriends you, but you will be able to know who unfriended you on Facebook by two ways. First is, guys, either search for that account, and you can see, guys, whenever we search for that account, instead of the friends button there is the add friend button. And one way is like this, guys, where you can see that the friends button has turned to add friend. This means that the other account has unfriended you. And another way is, if you go to this tab, this is the friends tab, guys, just beside the videos icon. On this tab you can see your friends over here. These are your friends. But if you search for your friend over here whom you think that has unfriended you, again you can see that second account of mine which I had unfriended myself is not available over here. Similarly, anybody who has unfriended you won't be available on this list. And guys, with that being said, guys, this is how you can know who has unfriended you on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.